English B1. Talking about your favorite holiday. Lesson by BabelBoosters YouTube channel.
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Really? Mine is New Year's Day.
Christmas feels warm and quiet.
New Year feels loud and exciting.
I like the family time most.
I like the fresh start feeling.
Do you usually travel for it?
Sometimes, but not every year.
I usually stay at home.
That sounds calm and nice.
Yes, and we cook a big dinner.
What do you cook?
Turkey, potatoes, and vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
What about your holiday meal?
We eat noodles and dumplings.
That is interesting.
My family likes simple food.
Do you give gifts on New Year?
No, we mostly celebrate together.
I see. Christmas gifts are a big thing.
Do you buy them early?
I try to, but I'm often late.
That happens to me too.
Last year I bought gifts on Christmas Eve.
Oh no, that sounds stressful.
It was, but I found good ones.
That is lucky.
Do you decorate your home?
Yes, we put lights on the window.
We have a tree in the living room.
A real tree or a fake one?
A fake one. It is easier.
Mine is fake too.
Do you like holiday music?
Sometimes, but not all day.
I can listen to it for hours.
Really? I get tired of it fast.
I also like the holiday movies.
Me too, especially old comedies.
Those are fun.
Do you watch them with your family?
Yes, every year.
That sounds like a tradition.
It is. We never skip it.
My family has one too.
What is your tradition?
We write wishes for the new year.
That is a nice idea.
It helps us think about change.
Do you really keep the papers?
Yes, we read them later.
That must be funny sometimes.
Oh yes, very funny.
Do you take holiday photos?
Always too many photos.
Same here. My phone gets full.
Mine too.
What do you like most about your holiday?
The feeling that people slow down.
I like that too.
Life feels less busy.
Yes, and people are kinder.
Sometimes even strangers smile more.
That is true.
Do you send cards to people?
I send a few, not many.
I still like paper cards.
Me too. They feel more personal.
Do you get many cards?
Not many, but I keep the best ones.
I do that too.
One card from my aunt is very old.
Why do you keep it?
Because she wrote a kind message.
That matters more than the card.
Yes, it really does.
Do you ever feel sad on holidays?
Sometimes. I miss people who are far away.
I understand that.
Holidays can be happy and sad.
That is true.
Do you like big parties?
Not really. I prefer small groups.
Same here. Big parties feel noisy.
And tiring.
Exactly.
What time do you usually start celebrating?
In the evening after dinner.
We start earlier, around lunch.
That is a long holiday day.
Yes, but I like it.
Do you wear special clothes?
Sometimes, if we go out.
I wear a nice shirt.
That is enough for me too.
Do you make holiday plans early?
I try, but they change.
Mine change too.
Family plans are never simple.
No, they are not.
Who usually decides the holiday plan?
My mother does most of it.
Same in my house.
Mothers are often the organizers.
Yes, and they remember everything.
I forget half the things.
Me too.
Do you like the holiday lights outside?
Yes, they make the streets feel special.
I walk around just to see them.
That is a nice habit.
It feels peaceful at night.
I agree.
Do you ever bake holiday cake?
Yes, but it does not always look good.
Taste is more important.
Thank you. That is what I say to you.
What is your favorite holiday dessert?
Chocolate cake for sure.
I like apple pie.
That sounds good with tea.
Yes, especially after dinner.
Do you visit neighbours during holidays?
Sometimes just for a short time.
We do that too.
It feels friendly.
And a little old-fashioned.
I like old-fashioned things sometimes.
Me too, if they feel warm.
Do you ever feel too busy on holidays?
Yes, especially when there are many visits.
I know that feeling.
You want rest, but people keep coming.
Exactly.
So your favourite holiday is Christmas because of family?
Yes, family and quiet time.
Mine is New Year because of hope.
That is a good reason.
Maybe that is why we like different holidays.
Maybe.
What would make a holiday perfect for you?
With food, no rush, and everyone at home.
That sounds simple, but really nice.
Simple holidays are the best.
I think so too.
Do you remember a holiday surprise?
Yes, my brother came home early once.
That must have been a great surprise.
It was. My mother cried.
Wow, that is a strong memory.
Yes, I still think about it.
I had a surprise too.
What happened?
My sister made dinner by herself.
Did it go well?
Better than expected.
That is a happy surprise.
She was very proud.
She should be.
Do holidays make you think about the year?
Yes, I look back a lot.
I do too.
Sometimes I think I wasted time.
I know that feeling.
But holidays help me slow down.
Same here.
Maybe that is why we need them.
Yes, to stop and breathe.
And to remember people.
Exactly.
If you could change one thing about your holiday, what would it be?
I would stop the last minute shopping.
That would save a lot of stress.
What would you change?
I would make the day longer.
That is a nice wish.
There is never enough time.
No, there really is not.
Still, I love that feeling.
Me too. It comes once a year.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of our channel. We have over 1,000 videos waiting for you. And if you want to stay updated, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps us keep making content like this.